Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change wallpaper on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, choosing a wallpaper that inspires you, such as a beautiful landscape or motivational quote, can positively impact your mood and mindset whenever you use your device. Not only that, knowing how to change the wallpaper on your device also allows you to customize its appearance, express your creativity, and create a more enjoyable and personalized user experience. So let's go to the tutorial. First of all, please long press on your screen like this. And then here you can select wallpaper and styles. Then click on this option. Well, and then many cute wallpapers will appear here. So here you can choose the suitable wallpaper like this. So you can choose to activate the wallpaper for the home screen or lock screen or boot. When finished, click next. And lastly, click down here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the wallpaper on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.